All right, people, I got a very important and special video. It's about CELG. Now, CELG is a plan that I've been talking about, and it's failed to confirm. It failed to confirm on this day over here um, when it was in the 126 area last week, only to come back down later and chop around. We went today, we confirmed, we got above 127, but we did so, on my opinion, based on this setup, this kind of setup for this stock, on too low volume. Now let's talk about all the positive first, and I want to talk up. Then we'll talk about the other facts, okay, people? So, because I'm about making money the right way with right confirmation. I make plans for a lot of stocks, people, and a lot of stuff. A lot of stocks confirm the wrong way, make false moves, and what I try to do is avoid false moves. The way to become 80% correct and catch really big moves like BA, like my last BA trade, is you need certain rules and certain setups to happen, and I'm a master at this. Anyways, people, let's get to the facts here. So, anyways, and we're going to see how this will all work out no matter what still. This is still at a key pivot point. That means if this stock is going to really move, we're going to confirm my plan. And if we don't confirm my plan, this stock could be stuck in chop. So let's talk about the positives here. Celg is at a key pivot point still, okay, to make some strong gains still. The March 24, 126 or March 24, 130 calls could be used. Right? These are perfect right now. Okay, targets are 140 to 145. So this stock here, in my opinion, if this is going to confirm, it's going to pop large, and if it doesn't, it's going to go nowhere. This is my opinion. It's going to chop around. It's not going to be good for options. This is an options trade, people. If you're a long-term investor in Celg, this doesn't really apply, but it does apply to people who are going with options. All right, people. Now, at this point in time, what I want to see Celg do is break above 127.50 on some strong action volume. And strong action volume is 600K on a 10-minute chart. Now, what I'm going to explain is not in the video, so that's why I'm saying. I explain the keep it. Now, if we still don't get the volume over 127.5, then we're going to watch for basically 120. We want to see power. It doesn't matter. It has to go through It can go through 128, 128.5. It has to show power. Okay. If it shows the power, I will state it's confirmed. I will post it on Power Trigger Trade. This is a confirmed trade. We'll be entering. But if this stock does not confirm, this stock can pull back. Not that it'll pull back hard, but it can pull back, remain back in the chop zone. We even closed. We did not close above the breakout point. No, they closed it below the breakout point. That's not a breakout. Okay, that's not this type of stock. This stock, I tell you, is set up to go huge. But the way it's moving like a snail. This is not proper breakouts. And you're talking to a breakout expert. I know what to look for. And I tell you right now, I kid you not, if we have to pay at 130, okay, for proper confirmation, I've said this in my other video, it won't make a difference if the move is real. But if the move isn't real, this is going to be stuck in chop. Options are going to lose all their value, and you're out of profits. All right. So now let's go take a look at the options, people. All right, people, we're here at the Yahoo Finance Board, where Celg closed at 126.88, below the breakout point. Still, it's okay. The stock is at a key pivot point. Here are the March 24 calls. Let's take a look at them, okay? So here's the March 24 126 calls. You know, there was some trade, not big deal. And again, why wasn't there more trading in this? Just think about it now. Why? I don't know the answer to it. But suspect action. If we can confirm my plan, believe me, we'll be happy. That is what I want. That I'll be happy with, okay? I want to explain this because there's people out there don't understand that I know what I'm talking about as a breakout expert. Okay, not just on an individual stock only. I'm talking about all this. I do this all the time. And in order to do that, you have to have strict rules. As you can see, there is some, you know, I mean, they're not trading that great, these March 24 calls, but they are working very well because you can see we have a reasonable spread. Now, I talked about the 126. Now, in this situation, since we have to pay higher, some people don't want to pay this kind of money per option. If this trade is good, we can use these actually. I saw the spreads on the 130s tighten up as well. Again, not a lot of thing, but if this is going to confirm, people, why am I documenting? To show how much money we can still make. These options will probably confirm at about 70. Let's say they confirmed at 70 to 80 cents of proper confirmation. Let's see where they are if this really fruitions. And if it doesn't fruition, let's see what happens to these calls. Let's see what happens to these calls. This is why I make serious videos. I document it unlike any service out there. Nobody does what I'm doing. Okay, and I stick to my rules. I don't bend the rules like these other services do. There's no such thing. You can't be greater than 80% correct and bend your rules. You can't. In this case, I telling people this stock here, and I'm staying it when the stock is. Let's go back to this. I was saying it right as this is looking good. This is fucking nothing volume for this stock, for a breakout stock. I don't know what kind of education there is out there, but people don't get it. And now my video is going to prove the point. I'm gladly you'll join. I will jump with my, if I see the volume that I know what needs to happen here. I will gladly jump into these calls and make money. Okay, all right, people. So let's go to an important place here. All right, people. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe to it. You can see what I'm saying, people. Confirmation is key. Study the video. Listen, I make serious plans for a lot of stuff. You know, really good trades that I'm looking at, low confirmed, but not with volume. I had a plan called TXN. I had a BA trade, did about 400% gains. Okay, you have to scroll through that. I'm not going to get into that, people, but you want to follow my stream. You want to study my videos, study the videos, people, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. And I say greater than 80% correct. It's true, but you got to be patient and you got to wait for the right confirmation. And my plans are plans, okay? And I back it up. I'm even saying it's not a breakout right now until it confirms this new plan now for Celg. But anyway, see the Sandro Power Trick or Trade, people? At the end of the video, it's going to appear over here. Simply click on it. And in this video, too, around here, you're going to see a video. There are going to be links of confirmed trades making great gains. Just like this structured video where you see the options before and after. Check them out, people. Educate yourself to understand. You've struck gold if you listen to this video. I'm serious about making money for my followers, but you have to understand what I'm talking about. Okay? If you don't understand, then you're not serious about making money in the market. The market is here to take money away from you and not give it to you. And the rules and plans I developed are to try to put the odds in your favor more often than not. That's why I say greater than 80%. But in order to achieve that, you have to have strict rules. So there you have it, people. A great update. Listen to this video again carefully. Listen to the key points. I'm making the points. See the Sandro Power Trick or Trade? Don't forget to click on it and subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.